Hey everyone, if you are looking to secure your Gmail account with two-step verification, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set it up quickly and easily. Let's jump in. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Manage your Google account. In your Google settings, swipe to the Security tab and tap on it. This is where you'll find all your security settings. Scroll down and find the signing in to Google section. Here you will see two-step verification. Tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your Google account password. Enter it. Once you have entered your password, tap on Next. Now Google will ask you to add a phone number for the verification process. You can choose to receive a text or phone call with a code every time you sign in. Tap on Add Phone Number. Once you have entered your phone number, tap on Next and you will receive a verification code. Enter it and tap on Verify. Tap on Done. And there you have it. Your two-step verification is now enabled for your Google account. That's it. You have successfully added an extra layer of security to your Gmail account with two-step verification. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more security tips and tricks. Drop any questions if you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.